Hello, and welcome to the Identifix Hotline Archive Tip of the Month. I'm Jim Newkirk, the Identifix European Team Leader and a Master Certified Technician with over 32 years of diagnostic experience, and I'll be your host. At Identifix, we help technicians from across North America diagnose and repair tough problems on the vehicles that they encounter, and we collect and store those known good fixes in what we call a Hotline Archive. A Hotline Archive contains the information and tests you will need to diagnose problems you encounter on all types of vehicles and systems. Hotline Archives can shortcut your diagnostic time and get you to a solution quickly and accurately. Hotline Archives are available via the Direct Hit website at www.identifix.com. A demonstration of the website as well as answers to any questions you may have can be found there. Today's problem is a severe binding on turns and a hopping feel in the suspension on a 2002 Oldsmobile Bravada with a 4.2-liter engine. Let's take a look at the Hotline Archive addressing this issue. The Hotline Archive contains all the information you will need to diagnose and repair the vehicle problem in one easy-to-use document. We start with the vehicle description and mileage and a short description of the customer concern. Let's walk through the actual tests needed to diagnose this problem. Step 1. Disconnect the transfer case motor connector and road test the vehicle. Step 2. If the problem is still the same, check the fluid condition. Step 3. Check the tire pressures and tire wear. Tire pressure and wear must be equal on all 4 tires. Step 4. Adjust tire pressure if needed. Step 5. Mark all 4 tires at the 6 o'clock position. Step 6. Drive the vehicle straight ahead for 10 wheel revolutions. Step 7. Check that all 4 marks are within 1 inch of each other. Step 8. Disconnect the transfer case shift motor and check for the bind condition again. Step 9. If the transfer case fluid is burnt, try a new AutoTrack 2 transmission fluid change. Step 10. Remove the front propeller shaft, road test for a short distance in the parking lot only, and check again for a binding condition. Step 11. If the bind remains, the problem is with the rear differential. Step 12. Check condition of the transfer case control module, TCCM, at the right-hand kick panel of the vehicle. Step 13. Check motor operation when supplying direct battery positive through a 30-amp circuit breaker and battery negative to the motor power and ground wires with the TCCM disconnected. Step 14. The motor control wires are red at pin B and black at pin A. Step 15. Supply battery positive to the black wire and ground to the red wire. Check that the transfer case motor firmly shifts the transfer case. Now we can proceed to the potential causes of this problem, and in this case, the confirmed fix that solved it. Mismatched or misworn tires, transfer case fluid, transfer case shift motor, transfer case control module or TCCM. In this case, the confirmed fix was mismatched tires on the vehicle. We also have useful tech information as well. Note, do not power the transfer case shift motor with the transfer case shift motor removed. We finish out the Hotline Archive with information on the Identifix technician who took the call and produced the Hotline Archive, the call date, and finally, comments by fellow technicians who have used the Hotline Archive to repair a vehicle they were working on. In this case, we find that mismatched tires was the cause of the transfer case binding. Replacing the tires with a matched set fixed our problem. It's easy to see that with the real-world tests, information, and confirmed fixes contained in Hotline Archives at your fingertips, you'll diagnose more cars in less time, and that's a good thing. Watch for more Hotline Archive fixes, and thanks for spending some time with me. Don't forget to visit us at www.identifix.com.